Hi guys, thank you so much for watching. Today's video is another skincare review video for you. You've loved my skincare review videos in the past, so as always, just like this video if you want more skincare reviews. It lets me know what kind of content you want, and I'll include the playlist of all my other skincare reviews on it. I like to review higher end skincare products and also more affordable products, just so there's a good mix on my channel. So there's a price range for everyone. Today's video is on this product right here. It's the Body Shop Camomile Sumptuous Cleansing Butter with common chamomile extract from Norfolk, England, and it's suitable for sensitive skin. This is what it looks like here. And as always, I like to wait to do my review videos once I've used the product at least halfway up or more, just so that way I feel like it's a good time to do a review for you because I really know about it. The scent to the product is almost non-existent. It has the slightest scent of chamomile, but almost nothing. And this is what it looks like here. It's a butter, so you just need a small amount. And you guys already know I double cleanse because I use a lot of heavy makeup like liquid eyeliner that's hard to get off, and also CC creams and stuff that have sunscreen in them. So the sunscreen is one of the most hardest things to get off your face, you probably already know. So I use this as my first step. So what I do with this is I take a small amount on my finger, I rub it around my face, I put it all over my face, my eyes, lashes, everything, with my eyes closed, and I turn my tap on so the warm water starts coming, and I massage it all around my face to loosen up all my makeup first, and then I go in with warm water on my hands, splash it on my face, and circle it around and remove everything. And what I like about this cleansing balm is I've tried different cleansing balms before, even some high-end ones, and a lot of them leave like a greasy or film type of a feeling on your skin afterwards. This one doesn't. It washes it loosens all your makeup, it washes everything off, and it does kind of get milky when you put the warm water on it, removes everything, and there is a bit of residue around my eye makeup, which there always is on my first step. That's why I do a second step. I go in with my second cleanser and wash it all off, and after that there's nothing left. There's no residue of mascara left. There's no residue of sunscreen from the CC cream, so it does a great job at removing makeup as a first step in your cleansing. I think you definitely, with any cleansing butter or oil, need to use a cleanser after. That's just my perspective. But again, I use heavy products that are designed to last long, and also sunscreen is just near impossible to get off, if you guys already know. So I'm just gonna read about how much it is on the site and also what it has in it and what it's supposed to do. I'll link it underneath as well if you guys want more information. It says Camomile Sumptuous Cleansing Butter for sensitive skin, gently removes makeup and impurities, and vegan. And it's got a 4.8 star rating. It says foundation, lipstick, waterproof mascara. It removes all of it, melts away makeup and traces of impurities. And it says it's good for sensitive people with sensitive skin, contacts wearers, chamomile. It has chamomile extract in it. It cleanses your skin for that fresh face feeling and gets rid of all the stubborn makeup and grime. And it retails for, this is the 90 ml, this one is the 90 ml, and it retails on the site for $20. Yeah, so that's basically everything that it says on the site. And I wanted to mention as well, my skin type is sensitive and dry. And what I like as well is it removes all your makeup, but it kind of leaves your skin soft and hydrated after. It doesn't overly dry it out. And I've used a lot of cleansing butters and cleansing oils, and they're all usually in the $50 range and up. So this is more of an affordable option. So I really do like it. My cousin also really likes this product, and she has a more combination type of skin, and she's the one that recommended it to me. So I absolutely love it. It's halfway done, I'll repurchase it after. Please let me know underneath, what do you guys use as cleansing butters, and have you tried this product and do you like it? Thank you so much, guys. Take care. Thank you so much for watching, guys. As always, see you in my next video, and thumbs up for more skincare reviews. I'd love to keep making them for you because I love skincare. Thank you, guys. Bye.